Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So the Raksha Bandhan is near. So in this video, I will show you how to generate pictures using ChatGPT or AI. So even if you don't have a together pic, how to create such type of pictures. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So open your ChatGPT, try in both ChatGPT and Gemini for best result. So you can post any of your together pic or a two separate pic and paste this prompt. Later I will tell you how to get a prompt, and here you can see the image is generated exactly same with a face. This is a second prompt. Here I have used two separate pictures and the prompt. So here you can see the image is generated. So to get a prompt, either you can visit my Instagram page. Here you can comment as a prompt 1 or 2, which comment as a 1 and 2, whichever prompt you want. So I can DM you directly, or the best is you visit my Telegram channel and directly you can copy a prompt from here and you can paste it. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.